Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a car, okay, that the torque converter is acting really funny, you have that shudder, okay, shudder noise, the torque converter sleeping, not engaging or disengaging correctly, stay with us guys and we'll show you how we can probably fix that thing in 5 minutes. Now, you know the torque converters on modern cars are very complicated devices, and inside they have discs that when you drive them, sometimes it will cause glaze on those discs, and that glaze, guys, will actually make the torque converter to start sleeping. The only way to fix that is to remove the engine or transmission, remove the torque converter and replace it with a new one. But we found that little bitty thing on the internet, guys, and it's very inexpensive. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below, and we're going to see if that is going to fix our problem without removing anything. Now, we're going to go ahead, take the car for a drive and show you what it sounds like, what the problems are and all that stuff. So, let's go ahead guys, take this one now, see what it sounds like and see if it's going to fix it. So, let's start on it. Okay guys, so we're in this Mazda now, and you can definitely notice that shudder, okay, shudder in the torque converter. It does it when in this car has 6 gears, and after that the torque converter engages. Okay, now we have the torque converter. Okay, listen now. Okay, right there guys. And now it released and everything's good. So everything starts vibrating, the car starts pulling. Weird. Okay, so definitely sounds like it's wanna go, then it stops, and okay, now it kicked again. Torque converter engaged right now. Okay, now it's pulling, vibrating. So we're going to go ahead and explain you guys how instant Shudder Fix, how to use it, and if it's going to cure our problem. So stay with us now. So this thing is very thick guys, so what we're going to do, this is a bucket of hot water. We just drop it in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes so it can get liquid, a more liquid formula, and we'll be able to put it in the transmission. So we just cut the tip off. We found the dipstick on this car, okay, on this Mazda, and we're just going to add it to the transmission. I would recommend guys to add it on a warmer transmission that you car that you drove for at least 30 minutes before you did that. Okay, and we're going to squish the whole thing in, let it drain all the way inside. Okay, and we're going to go ahead, take the car for a test drive and see if that is going to fix our problem guys. So after a few miles guys, we drove it probably about 10-15 miles, you start noticing some difference. I would say that 90% of that shudder noise, vibrations, they're gone guys. Okay, most of it is gone. Still once in a while it will do it, but not all the time. You can see how smooth it shifts. Okay, and that's the torque converter locked up now. Okay, now we will disengage, so you can see it's great so far. In my opinion, you have to drive it about 200 miles to improve even more, so it can start working and remove that glaze from the discs. But I think it works really good for what it is guys. I would definitely recommend to try this first if you have to remove your transmission. That way guys, you can probably save all that money and labor just by using that simple additive guys. Check it out, it will be listed in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.